tour, and most of my songs, I've been telling people, because this is the season of life I'm in, is that these songs are just sort of my medication. I sit on my back porch and just play these songs, and it makes me feel better. And I love writing, and it's something cathartic for me. And it's just strange to me that it can mean something to anybody else. And I really do appreciate y'all giving me your attention and listening to my songs, because, yeah, thank you. The song's called Slow Motion. Looking out, feeling thin. I got my doubts, I could use a second wind. But I wish I knew 10 years before. It would have been nice to let the bullshit hit the floor. All's fair in love and war. In slow motion, I'm running out of our garage. I left the key on the counter, I locked myself out. As you wish, we can't go another round. As you wish, nothing really matters now. You can have this house. Now I know the reason you never put a photo on the wall. You were always hiding. You couldn't let me see who you really are. 'Cause you got scars. In slow motion, I'm carrying it down the hall. In a blue vision, we were both 80 years old. Look at us now, we can't go another round. Look at us now, there's nothing left to talk about. You can have this house. In slow. You were hourglass sand in the palm of my hand. I run my fingers down your spine. I love you like you can't understand. You were hourglass sand in the palm of my hand. I run my fingers down your spine. I love you like you can't understand. And slow. In slow motion, I'm carrying you down the hall. In a blue vision, we were both 80 years old. Look at us now, there's nothing left to talk about. Look at us now.